Hi. Just sort of expressing my mind today, keeping in mind the fact that we are all back again into what we call now the third wave of the pandemic, with Omicron hitting us just between our eyes. Everyone is in a knee jerk response: the government, the civic authorities, the education department, and people are at sixes and sevens. This is to say the least and to put it most mildly. Sitting in the school office, I feel like an orphan. Children are not there, no sounds familiar, screams and joy, and the teachers wrapping the table with their dusters, and the squeals of the little ones. Where and why have we got to this? As an advocate friend of mine says, because we all thought we were too smart. It's not a bad thing to think that we are smart at the end of the day. But then when you realize that your smartness is actually foolishness in putting someone else at risk because of irresponsible behavior, I think we have been poor, intelligent people, almost unintelligent. And therefore, in the context of this pandemic, which is now striking Bombay and laying all of us low, I just want to suggest that we keep up our spirits. We are not people who will bow down easily to something that puts us down. We are resilient. And resilience comes from our education, our motivation, and our faith. Our education tells us that we need to keep everyone safe and sound, that we need to act responsibly. And if we do that, keeping in mind the diktats and the suggestions of authorities and others, and our own heartfelt need to preserve our people, we will have been begun on a good footing. The second point is motivation. What is it that motivates you to play safe, to keep safe, and to keep others safe? Definitely survival, definitely non hospitalization, definitely the need to heal and to be up and about and let people live their lives. And if we are motivated about this point, definitely and certainly there will be a change in our behavior, and we will begin to fight back and fight strongly, defeat this virus, and get on with our lives. The third factor that will help us in beating the odds is our faith in God. Somewhere in these last 21, 22 months, we have waned in our faith experience. I have at times. But what has pepped me up and kept me going has been the fact that there is a God, there is some higher, greater, supernatural power who has lived our life and struggled through suffering and come out triumphant and victorious. And to the extent that I give credence to that faith in my behavior, in my prayer, in my supplication, in my help to others, we will have won the day. This is my little message to you. Don't cow down, don't give up, stride up, be positive, be motivated, pray, and let everybody else heal the world with the help of God and each other's cooperation. Have a swell day and God bless you. Father Austin Norris here, St. Vincent de Paul Church, Khar, West.